Wake up, parents. This is how disconnection harms your kids. In today's world, it's easy to be physically present yet emotionally absent. Disconnected parenting isn't just a buzzword, it's a reality that can deeply affect our children's development. Studies show that kids with emotionally detached parents struggle with anxiety and self esteem. They need our attention and love more than ever, yet distractions keep us from being truly engaged. So, what's the cost of this disconnection? It could mean our kids grow up feeling isolated and insecure. How heartbreaking is that? We have the power to change this narrative today. Let's start rebuilding those connections. Share your thoughts in the comments and follow for more on how to create deeper bonds with your children. And thank you for allowing us to become a part of the pursuit of your purpose.